Hello everyone, so here is my Access PC GPU water block. It's a full cover block, as you can see, for NVIDIA 980 graphic card. It may fit on 970 as well, I'm not sure. So this is the back plate, and it comes with 5 water stoppers because you need to connect fittings only on 2 places. The compression fitting is going to come here, so you need to cover this, and this. So you need to cover 5 places. So you can have an inlet here, outlet here, inlet here, outlet here, inlet here, outlet here. It's up to your personal preference. So it comes with 5 water stoppers, washers to connect the back plate with this, with the graphic card, thermal pads, nuts and bolts, and LED light. So you can have the LED inserted in here, and then you can have it. So the model number, I believe, is GPU water block CGMZ S24J SJHZH10. So this is the model number. You can check on Access PC website about more if you want to know more about this GPU block. So thank you.